Hi, I'm Cam. I love food, I love the outdoors, and I hate plastic utensils. Because if you knew what these things were doing to the environment, you'd lose your lunch. That's why I created Cliffset. It's cutlery that looks good, feels good, and travels light. Best of all, comes with its own dishwasher. Clean anywhere, and get going. You'll never have to carry dirty cutlery again. Thanks for watching. Check out our Kickstarter page for more details. Back us today.